Welcome to the FreedomCare app. This video will walk you through how to submit your daily report away from a patient's home. Remember, you're only allowed to submit your daily report starting at 3 p.m. each day. Step 1. Log into the app using your caregiver code and password. Step 2. On the main screen, you'll see the Daily Report button. Go ahead and tap on it. Step 3. Select the patient you are submitting your daily note for. For this example, we are submitting for Ingrid Test. Step 4. The next screen will pull up your recent visits. Go ahead and tap on Today's Visit. Reminder that it's crucial to have your location services turned on. Select Go to Settings and the app will redirect you to your device's settings. Once there, you will see options for locations and camera. Go ahead and set your location settings to Always. While we are here, let's double-check that your camera permissions are also enabled. For Step 5, it will bring you to a series of questions to go over your day with the patient. These questions may vary depending what state you reside in. Answer the questions accurately, adding any necessary notes, then tap Next to proceed. Step 6. Once all questions have been answered, tap Submit at the bottom right-hand corner. A PDF version of your daily notes will appear, confirming that you have successfully submitted your report.